Now let's proceed to the network menu. So this is the network menu of your NworldX account. So underneath, you can see there the submenus. We have the network tree, team members, sales match history, referral history, multi-level NworldX, and NworldX multi-level. So we will be going to discuss each of the submenu under your network menu. So let's start with the network tree. When you click your network tree, basically this is the structure of your organization, how it looks like. Okay, so there are indicators there or label. So 1, 2, 3. So then also to identify who is that number 1, number 2, number 3, you can find it here below. So there is there the ID number and the name, of course, and the number or accumulated downlines, whether under the left or under the right, and the sponsor. So this is your network tree. Then now let's proceed to team members. Team members, when you click it, you can find here, okay, the chronological order of your new members. So our system or our dashboard is showing you 10 members per page. So if you want to go, if you have more than 10 members, you can just click next. For example, in this particular account, so you can see there the ID number and also whether that particular member of yours is under your left group or your right group. So once it's under your right group, it will indicate there R. Okay, and once it's on the left group, it will indicate there as L. And also the name of the members and the date of activation and who is the sponsor. So this is what you are going to see under the team members. So this is about your team members submenu under your network menu. Now let's proceed with the sales match history. Under your sales match history, you can see here the history of how much did you earn from the matching bonus or the pairing bonus. So you can see here the date, the transaction number or reference number, the date, and whether it is which cycle. Then the amount credited to you, and there's what we call the debit side here, and the dues and the admin fee and the balance. So in this particular debit, this is the total amount debited to you. Actually, the value that you can find here is the 10%, okay, that is being credited to our wallet fund. Remember that wallet fund is also our own money. That's also your own money. It is being accumulated so that later on you can use it for your additional account or for your reactivation. So it's just that the company is helping you save money for the sustainability of your business. Okay, and juice. So basically, for the US dollar account, you are not being imposed of the 10% tax. But for the Philippine account, basically you can find here the 10% tax every time you earn because that is being reported for our income tax return every time we request for our income tax return to the company Enworld. Then also the admin fee, the US dollar account is not being charged of the admin fee. But for other currency like Philippines, every time we earn from the matching bonus, there will be a corresponding admin fee every transaction. Let's say, for example, if in a day you have 3 matches, so that's only 1 admin fee to be charged. Whether 1, 2, or 3 or more transactions, it's only 1 admin fee every time we earn on that particular day. So whatever the balance you can find here, that's actually your net amount of money that you can find in your available balance. So that is now the amount of money that you can withdraw. Okay, so this is for the sales match history. Now let's proceed to the referral history. Under the referral history, this is also the monitoring of how many people you refer and how much did you earn from their direct referral bonus. So in this particular account, So this account has 2 direct referrals. So that is 8.65 US dollar each. Okay. Then this is the accumulated amount here. Now let's proceed to the multi-level NworldX. So take note that any NworldX account can be upgraded to NworldX account. If you want to know the benefit of NworldX accounts, you can check our other videos about NworldX presentation. Now let's proceed to the multi-level NworldX. Whatever products you purchase, okay, in the company, remember that every product you buy, there is a corresponding level up points and multi-level points. The level up points that is being used to identify your position or your rank in the multi-level system. And the multi-level points is being used to compute for your multi-level bonus. So same with multi-level NworldX. In the multi-level NworldX multi-level breakdown, you can also find here the personal level up points from the beginning, group level up points from the beginning, the total multi-level bonus, and the total multi-level bonus for this month. You can also sort it out based on month. So this is your NworldX multi-level.